Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to give you one tip, and the tip which I am going to share with you in this video not only improve your fluency but also it will give you many benefit. You can easily be fluent in English after using this wonderful technique. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so you want to learn English but you don't know how to do that. You have several questions running in your mind, that whether I should take any course in English or I should indulge myself into the reading. Perhaps, I should use more and more English content, or I should focus on my speaking in English more and more than anything else. What exactly I need to do to improve my English super fast? Okay, so you are thinking all the time these types of question, but you are not taking any step towards learn this language. You are always watching many videos on the YouTube, on any other app. You are searching many app, but you are not giving any effort. You are not giving any effort to practice this language. I have shared with you my many videos, okay, and every videos I have told you that please, if you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you need to give your effort. You need to practice in English each and every day. Minimum 15 minutes every day is enough for your English. If you give 15 minutes every day, okay, then you can easily be fluent in English. So as soon as you take a decision to learn this language, you just start to watching many videos on YouTube, because YouTube is a wonderful platform and everyone is doing that. Okay, I also do that. But what happened, we are watching many videos. One video finished, then we again watch second video and third video. In this way we can watch many videos in a single day, and we are filling our mind with lot of English content. Okay, what happened, I would like to ask you a question. Do you actually doing your work? Do you actually learn this language? If you are not implementing all the tips, tricks and method which you watched in this video, so it is not going to help us in 1%. If you are not implementing all the tips, tricks and methods that you have watched, it will not give you 1% benefit. If you find that video boring, then we decide to move on the third video. We generally watch many video every day and filling our brain a lot of English content, which we will not be able to implement, which will not be able to stay in our mind for a long time. After some time we will forget. So what you need to do, you need to focus on outgoing. Now I'm going to share with you my tip that I was talking about, and believe me, if you practice every day for just 15 minutes every day, you will start seeing the result very soon. So for that, what you need to do, you need to divide your week into two parts, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, first part, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, second part. Now, what we have to do is, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will be doing listening and speaking practice. Okay. For listening, you can choose any audiobook, podcast, or conversation videos and start listening. Okay. You will be listening it for more than 5 minutes. Okay, if you listening audiobook, then you can download Pocket FM app. There are plenty books. You can choose any book according to your interest. It's all up to you. Okay, after listening 5 minutes, now you have to speak whatever you learn by listening. You can listen the same content for the second or third time if you don't understand, if you want to. Okay, in the beginning time you will find more difficult, but after doing practice you will feel that your English is going to improve day by day. Don't worry about if you do mistakes. Okay, mistakes will take you in the higher level. Okay, you can record your voice while speaking. It's a great way to improve your English. When you record your voice and listen it later, you will be able to recognize your mistake, and the next time your performance is going to better. Now coming on the second point, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, what we have to do in 3 days, you will indulge into reading and writing practice. For reading, you can choose any book, novel. I would like to suggest you can choose, English books in a class 1st to 8th, because their English is very easy. You can easily be understand English. Okay, so it's all depend on you. It's all in on interest you. It's all of you. Okay, all up to you. Okay, so whatever you choose, read it minimum 5 minutes. Once you finished 5 minutes, now you have to write it down or in your own words. This will not only improve your reading and writing, but also you will find many vocabulary. You will understand how to make the structure of English. Okay, you can easily be know how to frame the sentence in English. Okay, and you are able to find some words and make your writing more effectively. Okay, when you do this again, so you can easily be memorize all the words which you listen or read or write. Okay, so after using this habit, you will find yourself more improving day by day. You will see the drastic change in your English. But you need to be determined. You need to be consistent for this habit. Make this habit and carry this habit minimum 21 days. Okay, sometimes you will feel that, oh, it's very difficult, I would not carry it for more time. And sometimes you will feel, okay, I can do this, I will do this. So you need to motivate yourself. Okay, keep motivate throughout this English speaking journey. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.